Hi guys! Welcome to the Critical channel and I'm back with another video. Sa mga bago pa sa aming channel, my name is Ethan and I am one of the admins of this channel. I just want to thank you for choosing this video to watch, by the way. I am excited to share to you ang performance ng aming YouTube channel since it got monetized. So yes, we are already monetized. We are very happy about that. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung performance ng channel namin so far based on the number of views and based on the number of subscribers that we have. So, it's gonna be a transparent presentation ng performance ng YouTube channel namin. I know sa mga hindi pa na-monetize, you are very much excited to see what's gonna be the income ng isang small YouTuber. Pag-uusapan natin yan lahat mamaya. Kasi ipapakita ko sa inyo ang performance ng channel namin as a small YouTuber. So, stay tuned for that. And also, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung paano ang experience ng channel from the beginning up until nag-apply kami ng YouTube Partner Program. But before that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Madami kaming gustong i-share sa inyo. We wanted this channel to be an inspiration to the rest of other small YouTubers na kagaya namin na nagsisimula pa lang. Transparent presentation ng performances ng YouTube namin from week by week. Gagawa ako ng video upang makita niyo kung gaano ba ka-exciting magkaroon ng isang YouTube account and at the same time na monetize na siya. Nais din naming maging gabay upang maging mapadali yung proseso ng pag-a-apply ninyo, kung ano man yung gagawin dapat, mga do's and don'ts sa YouTube channel ninyo kasi yun yung guide na hinahanap namin when we were still starting. Although nagsisimula pa din naman kami ngayon, pero at least we're able to pass the stage na na-approve na kami, na-monetize na kami. At dito na nagsisimula yung tunay na laban kung gaano ba kalaki yung kikitain ng channel natin. I know, curious ka sa mga bagay na yun and you're also excited, so please click the subscribe button now. Maghihintay ako. You sure na subscribe mo na? Okay, I wanna thank you so much for subscribing the channel. Punta na tayo sa main topic natin ngayon. So, uunahin ko muna yung pag-share sa inyo ng experience namin sa aming YouTube channel upon application sa YouTube Partner Program. Our channel started last March 2. Yun yung first video namin. And that was because lahat ay bored. Kasi nga, COVID, pandemic, quarantine. Kaya, I know you guys can also relate. A lot of you guys have started your YouTube channel because of that same reason. We would like to come up with an avenue where we can express ourselves and we can share on whatever that we can share to people. So, sana ganun din yung mindset ng lahat. Kasi, mas magaan yung kung ano man yung turnout ng YouTube channel ninyo. Kung yun ang vision nyo sa pagsisimula nyo sa channel ninyo. Hindi yung monetary part. Kasi bonus lang dapat. Yun, as of the moment, kailangan natin i-present yung YouTube Studio app for reference. So, open lang natin to. So, currently, ang stat ng channel namin, meron na kaming 2,056 subscribers. So, I wanna thank you guys. Alam niyo kung sino kayo. Kung titingnan natin yung watch hours, punta tayo sa analytics. So, meron na tayong 260,963 minutes, which is more than the required. Ang required lang ni YouTube is 240,000 minutes or equivalent to 4,000 hours na watch time. Siguro alam na natin yan. We got monetized exactly 4 months since we started our channel. So remember that we uploaded our first video on March 2. We got the completion of our requirements also on July 2. So that's March, April, May, June, July. So that's exactly 4 months bago namin nakuha yung requirements ni YouTube na 240,000 minutes tsaka 1,000 subscribers. And by the way, previously gumawa kami ng video kung paano namin na-reach yung 700 subscribers within 2 months. If you wanted to watch that video, I'm gonna put that here or I'm gonna put the link somewhere or sa description so that you'd be able to check that also. So, ito yung itsura ng monetization page sa website. Kung makikita nyo. So, ito yung exact image ng page. After you reach the requirement, when you open that monetization page, iba na yung magiging itsura. Magiging ganito na. So, may tatlong step tayo para sa application ng YouTube Partner Program. So, yung una is ang pag-review ng Partner Program terms, which is napakadali lang. You just have to read and review the terms at saka mag-agree ka lang. Automatically, yung step 1, makukomplete mo yon agad. Yung second step naman is yung pag-apply ng actual AdSense account. So, kung may AdSense account ka na, ililink mo na lang yun siya dito. Hihingin yung email address ng AdSense mo. Pero sa kagaya namin na bago pa lang sa YouTube, wala pang kaalam-alam sa kung ano yung mangyayari, ito yung page na makikita nyo. So, i-click nyo lang yung step 2, automatically it will ask you to apply for an AdSense account. Kung wala pa kayong AdSense account, madali lang, hihingin yung email address, kung ano man yung gagamitin mong main email address para sa AdSense account mo, hihingin yung pangalan mo. So, dapat totoong pangalan ang gamitin mo that can be supported with any government IDs or any documents na magpapatunay na ikaw talaga yung tao na gumawa ng account na yun. Tsaka yung address mo. So, yung address is very important. Dapat kung ano yung address na ilalagay mo doon, dapat that's a valid address kasi yun yung address na gagamitin ni YouTube pagpapadala ng PIN upang once state yung address mo. Once mag-earn ka na ng required amount ni YouTube na para doon sa PIN request. Pag nasubmit mo na yun, that will not take so much time. You just have to fill out the form and then you submit it. Although yung approval, kasi may review pa, sa akin, it took 1 business day para ma-approve yung AdSense account ko. And automatically, upon the approval, yung third step, automatically, nag-pending yung status. In this screenshot na pinapakita ko sa inyo, ito yung time na pending pa lang yung review ng AdSense account ko. So, nakikita nyo, in progress yung status ng step 2, tapos not started yung step 3. But after 1 business day, na-approve na yung AdSense account ko, automatically, naging in progress na din yung step number. Ang i-review naman dito is yung content ng channel mo, kung may copyright strike ka ba, kung may mga policies and terms ka ba na nilabag when it comes to the YouTube community guidelines. So, dapat naging good boy at good girl tayo while we are still starting kasi yun yung tinitingnan ni YouTube kung qualified ba tayong i-approve for monetization. So, magiging in progress yan. In my case, it took me 2 business days para ma-approve yung channel ko. And finally, ito yung natanggap na email namin after 2 business days. So, sabi dito, congratulations, your YouTube channel, The Cuticle, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Yeah! And is now able to monetize your YouTube. This is one of the happiest days in my life na parang, yung pinaghirapan mo at least nag-pay off na siya. Ikaw din, ikaw na nanonood dito, I'm sure darating ka din sa point na yan. So, wag kang paghinaan ng loob. It's gonna be exciting. A lot of exciting things will happen very, very, very soon. So, do not give up. So, this happened exactly 5 days ago. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo ngayon ang performance ng YouTube channel namin. So, based on the ipagpalagay natin the last 7 days na performance ng channel natin. So, tingnan natin yung analytics para makita natin yung income ng channel. So, right now, kung makikita nyo sa dashboard namin, since 5 days pa lang din naman kami nagsisimulang monetize, so, yun na lang yung gagamitin namin. So, within the last 5 days na monetize yung channel namin, ito yung performance. So, meron kaming so far, meron na kaming $1.95. So, para makalculate natin yung gaano ba kadaming views ang kailangan upang makuha yung ganung amount. So, punta tayo sa real-time views, yung mga number of views. Tapos, select natin 7 days. So, in the last 7 days, meron tayong 3,000 views. So, sa 3,000 views na yon, ang kinita ng channel natin is almost $2. So yun guys. Iba-iba din naman ang performance ng mga YouTube videos natin. Yung iba, mas malaki yung kita kasi yung mga viewers nila is from outside the country. So, I suggest guys, since bago pa lang tayo, since nagsisimula pa lang tayong gumawa or bumuo ng brand or pangalan sa YouTube community, mas mainam na gawin nating mas wider ang audience natin, gawin nating mas universal kasi, real talk, ang baba ng value ng pera natin compare sa value ng mga nasa ibang bansa. So, let's say, madaming American at European sa manonood sa video mo, that means, mas malaki yung income ng video yan at magbabari din yan sa kung anong klaseng audience meron ka. yan, i-discuss natin yan sa susunod nating mga video in the future, but not now kasi nga ang bata-bata pa ng YouTube channel natin. But for now, at least nakita natin kung ano ba yung performance ng bagong YouTube channel. So nakita nyo, for the 3,000 views, kumita tayo ng $1.95. So you just have to think of the positive things. What if the dami na yung views nyo? So you just have to think an estimated amount of what's gonna be your income. So it's exciting, di ba? So sana wag kayong pahinaan ng loob. It's very exciting, it's very challenging, and at the same time you're enjoying what you're doing kasi nga you're putting so much passion on what you're doing. Sana hindi tayo paghinaan ng loob, sana hindi tayo tumigil sa paggawa at pag-upload ng videos kasi yung videos natin para kasing pain ng isda yun. So the more videos na ipapain mo, mas the more chances na marami kang isdang makukuha. So kung titigil ka, kung hindi ka na mag-upload ng video, mas less yung chances na makakahuli ka ng isda. Guys, I wanna thank you for finishing watching this video. I hope you learned something. Madami pang videos ang i-upload ko na kagaya nito. So please go ahead and stay tuned. Please always click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell also upang updated kayo pag may bago na tayong videos. Tsaka, I also do covers. Kung if you're into music, you can also check my covers dito. And once again, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank you once again. I would like to also mention my mentor sa YouTube, sina Sir Neil Salarda, si Jen Barangan. Yun yung mga bigating YouTuber na nasa taas na. So I wanna thank you guys for helping me and for letting me understand yung mga bagay-bagay na kakailangan ko para sa aking YouTube account at sa aking YouTube group sa Proud Bisdak. Salamat kay sa inyo. Dako kay mong tabang sa achievements akong YouTube. So guys, I wanna thank you once again for watching this video and makita-kita tayo for sure sa susunod kong video. Thank you and I love you.